The stock, which has given more than 50% return in last couple of months from its lower levels, and now after a few weeks of consolidation, it's again resuming strength on upward side. Hello everyone, my name is Yagnish Patel and we are back with one more episode of Stock Watch. This is the episode number 22nd. The stock which we are discussing in previous part has given more than 50% return in last couple of weeks from its lower levels March 2020 is none other than IndusInd Bank. Yes, it is a private sector bank and it is one of the largest bank in India. The stock has given a very tremendous move in last couple of weeks, and from since few weeks it has been in consolidation phase and giving some kind of good signals in last week. We need to check those signals about this IndusInd Bank, and various time frames we are going to check and find out why this stock is bullish and in our bullish list. Before that, we have released one video of Stockwatch episode number 21, which was about Voltas Limited. Voltas has not given decent move in last week, but it has not gone down as well. So we have still intact our view in Voltas, the same levels which we have suggested. You can, if you are holding, you can hold this stock with the same levels, because the view is still intact in Voltas. Might possible it will give some kind of good move in couple of days and maybe in next week also. So coming back to this video on IndusInd Bank, we have find various signals on charts, so we need to check those signals on various time frames. So don't waste time and let's jump to the charts. Welcome to the screen, and this is the daily chart of IndusInd Bank and spot price chart. You can see a good move in last couple of days after there's some kind of consolidation and then some profit booking we have seen. So let's analyze this chart with various time frames, and let's analyze this chart on various time frame, and we'll see what kind of signals this stock is providing to us, and we need to see that signals. So first of all, we can start with a higher time frame of this time. This chart is weekly. So on a weekly time frame, starting with a trend, so I'm just removing the volume, so hiding the volume, so you can easily be able to watch the chart. We have seen a very nice perpendicular move, and after that you can see there is some kind of uptrend appears here. Because of this, you can see, because here is your bottom, here is your bottom, one more is here, so it's your higher bottoms is in form. This is your top, this is your top, and now again this top is trying to breaking out on upside, tagging on upside. So on this note, from here to here, stock try to form a uptrend pattern on a higher time frame. So first signal of this trend. After that, bullish candle appears on a weekly time frame after 3 weeks of consolidation. Here is a trend, and this is your consolidation, and again the strength is resumed in this week. RSI momentum is also above 40, which is a good sign, and area of not the area of bears now, because of it's in above the 40 levels. So you can identify this. So price, trend, price, momentum for supporting, and the volumes, you can see a very good higher volumes appears in this last week after 3 weeks of consolidation. This is higher volume on this candle after 3-week consolidation, and again volume and candles both are zooming out. That's the way to identify with the help of volume and just candlestick. So this is the very eye-catchy first, the volume and the candle, first signal. So these are the signals you need to keep in your list and your watch list for this stock to as a bullish stock for a couple of weeks or couple of days. And if I'm forming this Bollinger Band, which is a volatility indicator, which is also tagging on middle band, again a good sign, and also RSI same above 40 closing. So volatility is good in this counter. So I'm just hiding now again for simplicity purpose, and also volumes. So you can see on a higher time frame trend is up, medium time frame is up. Price, which means candles, are resuming, volume is also supporting, momentum oscillator and volatility is also supporting. That's where you analyze in different angles. So on weekly time frame, it's a green signal for this stock. Now we will analyze a daily time frame. So here you can see very nice move here upside. After that, some kind of consolidation, and here you can see the break of this resistance. Means stock has given a nice uptrend here, rally, then quite a bit long consolidation at this area, and now resuming its strength again. So it's a very powerful signal, because whenever some kind of trend appears, like up in this case uptrend, some kind of consolidation sideways need to be there. And exactly as a theory in technical analysis, you can see a very nice uptrend from here to here. And if you can check the percentage wise return, so it's almost around 53% move from the lower levels. And after that, there is a good consolidation, and the period of this consolidation is almost around 27 days trading sessions, more than 1 month or 1.5 month of consolidation happen. So which is a very good and healthy sign for this stock. So now we need to check the breakout level also. And here you can see a good breakout of this trend line. Trend line again, support is retesting, and it's like a CIP change in polarity. Time to check the volumes. Volumes are higher on these breakout candles, and this is a slightly consolidation and profit booking. RSI is also taking support at above 60 zone, which is extremely good signal. And these two candles of slightly profit booking, we can see a very lower volumes. And when stock price jumped, the volume is also jumped. So it's a buyer's volume actually. So that's change in polarity, volume, price breakout supporting, trend is also supporting, momentum supporting, and change in polarity is also there. So many signals. Need to check the Bollinger Bands. So I'm removing the trend line, and it's tagging an upper Bollinger Band. Try to go above this, and there is a squeeze breakout also in Bollinger Band. So it's again trend, price, volumes, momentum, and volatility. All of the angles are supporting and giving a bullish signal in the IndusInd Bank. So you need to check. You need to be very careful for this stock to take in your radar list for a couple of weeks, in next week also. So these are the signals you need to check in IndusInd Bank. So now time to mark the levels for this stock, and need to mark the levels first. So we are going to check here a very couple of resistance here of this big body black candle. High is also resistance. We can also take a retracement of this small swing also to find out the target area or resistance zone for this counter. So I'm taking a Fibonacci retracement, and 161% is come near 602. Stock price is trading around 540, 539. 602, I am marking this level first as an important resistance or your target area. Actually 602 need to be marked. It's 570. So here I have marked the 603, 602. So round number 600 is your area of resistance or the first target. By Fibonacci retracement we have used.
And for your area of stop loss, you need to draw a simple trend line, and above here is your breakout of this candle, so you need to mark the level of this candle. Slightly below this candle is your stop loss area. So stop loss is below this breakout candle of this trend line, is around 490 area, and your first resistance target area is around 600 to 603. So you need to careful about that. So these are the signals which the IndusInd Bank chart will giving us. And if you want to analyze on a lower time frame, lower than daily time frame, we are going to check the 30-minute time frame. You can see here a very nice good moving average. Slope is up, so trend is up on a 30-minute time frame. Also stock is near to this area of support, and RSI is also taking support at 40, which is extremely good signal. So if you can analyze on a lower time frame, it's also bullish. So this stock is giving so many signals on different time frame, like weekly is also giving bullish signal, daily chart suggesting a bullish signal, even on a 30-minute lower time frame it's suggesting a very nice bullish signal. So keep this stock in your radar list for the next couple of days and some week for as a bullish stock in your radar list. So, and I want to give a standard disclaimer, this is not a buy and sell advice. Be careful about that. This is just for educational purpose on based on technical analysis theories. And if you like the way we analyze the stock on different technical analysis tools, we teach also this tool in our training program of online training program technical analysis. You can check the link in the description box about upcoming program, and we have placed our contact detail also. If you have any query, you can get in touch with us or my team. So if you like the way we analyze the stock, hit the like button for this video. Do share this video to other traders so they can also take help and out of this video also. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I regularly post so many educational videos on my channel also. So goodbye everyone, and wait for my next video. Thank you so much.